So sorry about that. I had a technical difficulty. Now, as I was saying, anything that may happen can turn into a chain reaction, and it's up to teachers and faculty members to be good role models to the students. This is why I believe that, yes, teachers and faculty members should follow a dress code, whether it is the same as the student dress code or an even stricter one. A teacher and faculty member should always dress according to the profession, whether they're a high school teacher or a college professor. Influence is everywhere. Even if a person does not realize it, they are most likely influencing someone. Younger students are always looking up to the older students or the teachers. This is where the influence starts. Like I said, it's a chain reaction. If a high school student is influenced by a teacher to dress nice, then a younger student who's looking up to the older ones will want to dress nice too, because they see how nice the older students look. It's all about influence, and I definitely believe that teachers who influence these younger students should follow a dress code. I hope you liked my video. Bye.